शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहं.
Guruji, I am doing Batuka Bhairava and Rajamatangi sadhana. I wanted to ask if there is any mantra to energize the food we prepare at home. You use the Moola mantra of Batuka Bhairava. You can use the Moola mantra of Uchishta Chandali. You can use the Moola mantra of Rajamatangi to infuse the positive divine energy in your food. Make an intention, ask Divine Mother to bless and cook the food, energize the food. There's no separate mantra. One such mantra is Annapurneshwari mantra that is given in our YouTube channel. That can also be done. Okay? Or this, Batuka Bhairava, Rajamatangi and Uchishta Chandali mantra can also be used for energizing the food. Any sadhana that is in your soul, you are doing it, that you are using to energize the food. Okay? Everything can be done with your, Moola mantra japa.
शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं